Which type of bond in brick masonry consists of alternate courses of headers and stretchers and is considered the strongest bond? English bond. Which type of pile foundation supports the structural load partly by friction along its sides and partly by resting on a hard substratum? Friction-bearing pile. A damp-proof course, DPC, is primarily installed in a building structure to prevent what? Capillary rise of moisture. The inclined or skew surface of an abutment designed to receive and support the curve of an arch is known as what? Skewback. Which type of temporary support structure is used to stabilize a building when its foundation or adjacent walls are weak or being excavated? Raking shoring. What is the term used for the projecting part of a stair tread that extends beyond the face of the riser? Nosing. According to General Building Safety Standards and NEMI specifications, the number of steps in a single flight should not be less than 3. A type of roof that slopes in two directions but features a distinct break in the slope on each side is called a gambrel roof. What type of masonry wall is constructed specifically to protect the slopes of natural ground cuttings from weathering actions? Breast wall. What is the horizontal structural member of a door frame that forms the topmost part of the frame? Head.